Alrighty, you saw from the intro, these are going to be absolutely amazing. Let's start putting them together. First thing, I'm going to take a big old Costco dog and we're going to get it wrapped in some thick cut bacon. We'll figure out if it takes 1 or 2 slices per dog. Right now, my Yoder YS640 pellet grill is preheating to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, because Celsius, that'd just be ludicrous. Ludicrous. Yep, it's going to take 2 pieces of bacon per dog. So I'm going to get every one of these wrapped, and then we're going to go chuck it onto the smoker. We'll see you out there. Alrighty, smoker's at 300 degrees. Don't have any ugly black smoke coming out. Let's get these things on. Alrighty, if your bacon's a little loose, don't worry. As it cooks, it's going to shrink, and just grab a hold of that dog. Just grab a hold of it. So we're going to come out in about 30 minutes and see where we are. We'll see you then. So as our wieners are out there wrapped in bacon, getting that incredible smoke flavor, we got a few things we got to do. Number one, we need to make some Chipotle mayo. Crazy easy. What I have here is some Kewpie mayo. I'm going to put about a cup of it, okay, maybe a half a cup, into this bowl here. And then a good healthy spoonful of Chipotles that are diced in adobo. And I'm going to mix that up. And voila! Chipotle mayo. There we go, about that color. Easy day. Next step. Now we're going to make our Poblano cream cheese. And you can tell this meal here is going to be incredibly healthy. We have buns made from good strong wheat, probably grown in the Midwest, a great state like Kansas or something like that. We have Chipotles, which are a pepper, and it starts out green as a jalapeño, so that's healthy for you. Poblanos. God, this is incredible stuff. So I'm going to take my whipped cream cheese that's at room temperature, and once again, this room, the temperature of this room. So if you need to make this, you need to come here. So I'm guessing I'm going to make about 6 of these, so eyeballing it, I think I need about a half a cup, and then maybe a quarter cup or so of diced, roasted, de-skinned Poblano peppers. We've done it before. You just take your peppers, spray some oil on them. You can either put them in your oven on broil until they start to blister and blacken and then peel that skin off. Or you can go outside, hit it with a blowtorch. Same thing. Way easy. And mix it up. Now if you want to make this green and everything and have a consistent texture, you can chuck it in your food processor if you wish. I prefer it this way. The whipped cream cheese with the chunks of Poblano in it. All right, there we go, in the refrigerator. Now we're just waiting on our wieners. Yep. So, we'll see you when they're ready. Alrighty, the dogs are just about done. Now it's time to get the buns ready. So I'm going to take our Poblano cream cheese and spread that on our buns. I have my oven already preheated on broil high. All right, now we're going to chuck those in the oven on broil until they start to melt, get a little browning on them, and then we'll be ready to construct everything else. We'll see you then. All right, the dogs are off the smoker. I let them go for almost an hour, and I think we're ready to make a masterpiece. So, let's make the first one. Okay, we got our cream cheese, toasted cream cheese bun. Then we get one of our bacon wrapped dogs on that. Get that topped with some Chipotle mayo. And then top that off with some fire roasted Poblano peppers. Okay, so here we go. It's all put together. It's time for the judgment. It's going to be messy.
Okay, so you can see everything here. And yeah, the bun wants to kind of fall apart, but
I said, if you're going to do this, it's going to be messy. Just depends how much you like the wiener. All right, how'd those flavors come together?
Really good. The poblano and the cream cheese is very subtle. And the chipotle mayo is also very subtle, but there's just a hint of it. You can taste it in there. Yeah, that's good.
All right, so there we go. There is our creation on the Dogfathers of San Antonio's Poblano dog. So I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Hey, please leave us a comment, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.